Welcome to my channel. News owns every time.
Hello everyone, welcome to News Owns Every Time, with me Jenny. Today we're into the latest news. Israeli fighter jet flights caused loud noises in Lebanon, prompting people to panic and flee. After a number of Israeli fighter jets broke the sound barrier, a series of loud booms were heard in the skies over Beirut, the capital of Lebanon. Residents panicked and ran for cover. In the skies over Beirut on Tuesday, June 8, local time, at least 3 loud booms were heard in less than 30 minutes, according to eyewitnesses, as reported by Reuters and Al Arabiya on Wednesday, July 8, 2024. This occurred before a speech to be delivered by the leader of Hezbollah in Lebanon. It was reported that during the incident, several Israeli fighter jets flew low over Beirut's airspace. Some eyewitnesses said they saw Israeli fighter jets flying in the sky with the naked eye. The booms were described as the loudest heard in Beirut in recent years on Tuesday, 6/8, local time. At a cafe in the Badara district of Beirut, a Reuters reporter saw people scrambling out and running when the loud booms echoed through the air. The Israeli military has not made an official statement about its fighter jet operations in Lebanese territory. Moments before Hezbollah leader Sayyed Hassan Nasrallah was scheduled to deliver his speech on Tuesday, 6/8, afternoon, at around 5 p.m. local time, the loud booms were reported to have been heard. The speech was held to commemorate the death of senior Hezbollah military commander Fuad Shukr in an Israeli strike in southern Beirut. Tel Aviv has claimed responsibility for the attack that killed Shukr. Shukr is also said to be responsible for the rocket attack that killed 12 teenagers and children in the Golan Heights, a region of Syria occupied by Israel, on July 27. Hezbollah has denied responsibility for the attack. Hezbollah has vowed to retaliate against Israel for the attack that killed Shukr. Shukr's assassination occurred just hours before an attack in Iran that killed Ismail Haniyeh, the political leader of Hamas. Israel has not commented on Haniyeh's death, but Hamas and Tehran have vowed to retaliate against Tel Aviv. The region is on the brink of war due to the 2 assassinations. Stay with us for the latest updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more information. I'm Jenny, see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.